The King of Glory, Psalm 24. The earth and everything in it, the world and its inhabitant, belongs to the Lord. For he laid its foundation on the sea, and established it on the rivers. Who may ascend the mountain of the Lord? Who may stand in his holy place? The one who has clean hands and a pure heart, who has not appealed to what is false, and who has not sworn deceitfully. He will receive blessing from the Lord and righteousness from the God of his salvation. Such is the generation of those who inquire of him, who seek the face of the God of Jacob. Lift up your heads, you gate, rise up, ancient door. Then the King of glory will come in. Who is this King of glory? The Lord, strong and mighty, the Lord mighty in battle. Lift up your heads, you gate, rise up, ancient door. Then the King of glory will come in. Who is he, this King of glory? The Lord of armies. He is the King of glory. Amen.